Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Citra is up to date and you have a decrypted game dump. This matters because Citra cannot run encrypted images. Once done, locate the CIA or ROMPS folder on your drive so you won't interrupt the flow. Make sure your BIOS/title keys are set in Citra's configuration if required. This allows the emulator to correctly verify and load the game. From here, you're ready to add the game file into Citra for installation or direct loading. You'll now add the game inside Citra. Choose File, then Load File for a ROM or folder, or File, then Install CIA for a CIA package. This difference matters because CIA installs into Citra's virtual title database. Once you select the correct file, let Citra process assets and metadata. This can take a few seconds. After installation or loading, check the game list on the main window to confirm the title appears. If it shows, you're ready to launch the game and adjust per game settings. You can now launch the game. Once running, tweak graphics, audio, and control mappings to match performance and feel. If the title fails to start, open Citra's log window and read error messages. They explain missing keys, corrupted dumps, or unsupported features. Make sure you used a decrypted dump. If not, redecrypt and reinstall. Finally, ensure Citra and GPU drivers are updated. This resolves many crashes. If problems persist, retry with a different build or redump the game cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.